What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here, and today I wanted to give you guys a review of some of the SuperPro items we've installed on our MK7 GTI here behind me. But first, I wanted to go over exactly what we've installed. Now, starting up front, we've got the SuperPro Camber offset top hats. Now, these are 100% anodized aluminum in the beautiful blue color. Now, the big benefit here, of course, is that you get additional negative camber, which is critical because there's no camber adjustment on this vehicle from the factory. Next is the 24mm front sway bar, of course, being adjustable and significantly larger than stock. This is going to help reduce body roll as well as allow you to really dial in the way the car feels and handles. Then we've got the SuperPro aluminum control arms. Now, these replace your factory stamped steel arms. In addition to being stiffer, they're also going to give you slightly more caster, which is going to help improve the feel and performance of the car as well. And then in the rear, the 22mm adjustable sway bar, again, adjustable and larger than stock, is really going to help reduce body roll and allow us to dial in a little bit of oversteer if we choose so. And we've paired that with their Endlinks. Now, these Endlinks are great because they keep the factory ball joint, which allows the suspension to articulate and doesn't put any additional stress on that Endlink. Plus, they're significantly stronger than stock. Now, first, I wanted to talk about the installation as well as the fit and finish of the parts. Now, they look amazing. I mean, with those aluminum control arms, they look like an uber pricey and rare factory option. Then you've got, of course, the anodized top hats and just the splashes of blue throughout the car. It really just looks proper. However, the installation. Now, this would be the only thing that's preventing me from giving this an overwhelmingly positive review. And really, it's no fault to SuperPro. In fact, I, throw this complaint at Volkswagen. If you grew up with German cars, you're rolling your eyes at me right now. That front subframe, I just struggle with for some reason. I figured while we're in there, let's just do all the parts we want. So, leads me to my next point. Now, I feel like SuperPro should offer all of these in a kit and call it something stupid like supercar handling and a hatch or something like that. But it really is that good, and here's why. So for the front control arms, gone are those jelly-filled bushings, and in return, we get the performance-oriented polyurethane bushings from SuperPro, which add a little bit more caster and overall just improve the feel and the handling. It honestly feels like the car's on rails. And then the top hats. A big problem with this car is there's no factory camber adjustments like I've mentioned before, and that's horrible, especially if you're wanting to alter the height of the vehicle or you're just wanting to get more performance. So by gaining that negative camber, you can really get more grip when you're going through the corners. And then the sway bars with 24mm front, 22 rear. It's a very well balanced package. Plus, even through the fastest corners, it almost feels like there's no body roll. And then you've got the Endlinks there just to make sure that the sway bars are doing their job very precisely. And then there's the comfort aspect. Now, this is incredibly important, especially if it's your daily driver. Now, one thing I've always given Volkswagen credit for is they've managed to create a car that's very comfortable to drive every day, but still manages to feel sporty and handle well. Now, I have to give SuperPro credit because they've basically taken that same philosophy, but with a little bit more focus on handling, a lot more focus on handling, and managed to put it in and still have it be comfortable. So to sum it all up, if you're wanting to get more performance, better handling, more raw grip, and just better feel out of your car, and you don't mind sacrificing a little bit of comfort, then you don't mind spending either almost a full day in the garage or paying someone to install these, this is the kit for you. And that's all the time we've got for you today. Let us know what you guys think of this GTI as it sits now. Is there another suspension combo you guys would want to run personally? Of course, I'll link to these products down in the description. Make sure to check them out, and I'd be really curious to know what you guys think of these SuperPro items. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you like what we're doing, maybe hit that subscribe button. It costs you nothing and really means a lot to me. Keep modding. We'll see you guys next time.